Hello, this is a proof of concept video for the Verizon Samsung S6. You can see I'm at the setup wizard. Going to go through and connect to Wi-Fi real quick. I don't have a SIM card in here. Okay, now that I've connected to Wi-Fi, immediately after doing so and hit next, it automatically comes up with this Samsung account. The phone is factory locked because of an abnormal factory reset. Sign into the Samsung account that was previously used on this phone to confirm that it belongs to you. So I don't have the original account for this, so I am actually going to bypass it. So as you can see, it is still there. We will bypass it, and there we go. As you can see, we have full access to the device. And go into settings, do any access any app. I can even restart the device. And as you can see, it still goes right back. No setup wizard anymore. So again, this is a proof of concept that I have a working solution for the factory reset for Samsung, the bypass with the reactivation lock.